If two positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to x³y² and b is equal to xy³, where x, y are prime numbers, then HCF of a and b is equal to what? A generalized question to help you strengthen your concept, and for this you need to understand and memorize certain rules that we are going to use to solve not only this question but many other similar questions. So let's solve it and see what is the rule and how we can use it. There is a very simple rule that says the HCF of any two numbers a and b is equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. HCF of any two numbers a and b is equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. This you have to memorize, you have to remember, and this is the rule that we are going to use it to solve this question. How? It's very simple and very easy. Let's first of all understand. There are some key points to consider in this rule. First is common, second is prime factor. Common means that we have to take the numbers which are present in both. Second, prime factors. These should be prime factors. Now here it is already given that x and y are prime numbers. That means we are already done with this rule. This is applicable. Then it says the common. Common means it should be present in both the terms. So if you see, we have x here, we have x here, we have y here, we have y here. That means this is also done. We have x and y in both. That means we have to take x as well as y. Now it says the smallest power of each. Now smallest power of each means if we take x, then we have the power as 3, and here we have the power as nothing is written. That means it is 1. 3 and 1. Here we have 3, here we have 1. Which is the smallest? It is 1. Same way for y, we have the power as 2 over here and 3 over here. Which is the smallest? It is 2. It means HCF of a and b in this case will be equal to the common factor x, common prime factor, which is x. Smallest power is 1, so we don't need to write any power over here, it is already 1. And then we have y. The smallest power of y we have to take is 2, and that is our answer, which is the HCF of the given numbers. So you see, it was so easy. You just have to memorize and remember this simple rule, and once you remember that, you can apply it very easily and thus getting the result. Just don't get scared, don't get confused. Simply remember the rules, apply it, and you will get the result. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.